How's it going, folks? This is your old buddy Demo and
Zonner.
we are on a really epic adventure today.
Oh, yeah, quite.
So, if this video gets posted, that means we got out of the hills all right.
We survived, hopefully.
But little mechanical issues right now, but
The truck is stuck on the side of a steep hill. We can't get it out of park. That's all right, we will get it out of park.
so we gotta let it get a little cooler so that we can manually try to shift the transmission. But as of now, as we're letting it cool down, we are Nightingale, the Nightingale mine in I think it was still Washoe County.
I think so, yeah.
But Nightingale is Alex Ransom, 1917, discovered tungsten ore up here. 1928, he sold the property to Gold Silver Tungsten Company, and the place has been on and off for up into 1984. But right now we're in what they call an open stope, and this whole place is littered with them.
And what a stope it is!
But besides the history of this place, one of the cool things to find is right there at Zonner's feet, or behind you, I should say.
Yes, let's take a look, shall we? We've already been finding some real nice specimens here. And this I found just looking down. Look at that.
Garnets.
Isn't that a beauty? I just smile and say, Garnet.
Garnet. Yeah, you can see how like they're on the rock. The green is, I believe, is epidote. Then you have your garnet crystals
And quartz.
and quartz. Then you have diorite. Yeah, right there. So there's some good specimens of garnet, and you can tell people come up here and they scratch out of this area. It's high in sulfides because you can smell the sulfur.
Always pleasant.
But another thing you find up here, just like your bands of quartz. It's almost like marble. But sidetrack. Another thing you find up here is malachite.
Yep, found a vein of that.
Yeah, there's a bunch of it laying on the ground over there.
Yeah. It's laying around all over the place.
So right now we're gonna collect some specimens.
And then we're going to try to get that truck working so that we're not trapped here.
Yeah. Like I said, if this video posts, it means we made it out alive.
That's right. All right, shall we get to it, brother?
Yeah, let's pick some samples here.
All right.
Alright, continuing on with the adventure. A lot of old mine remnants out here. And
It's a very blustery day out here. That's why we're filming inside the vehicle. Here at the hill I got stuck on.
yeah.
As you can see, we freed the truck.
Yeah. And what lesson did we learn with an automatic and four-wheel drive?
Never put it in park on a hill.
Yeah.
Very bad idea.
Yes, it was.
It was horrible.
Yeah, you weren't the one under the truck trying to bang the transmission out.
Well, somebody had to hold the brake.
I said, luckily I already relieved myself earlier. Because I didn't bring a pair of clean britches or nothing. Yeah, this would have been the 100 stamp or 100-ton mill site.
And what a mill she was.
What mill she was.
Yeah, we're driving up here because I hit a huge pocket of big old garnets, and the specimens are much too big and heavy to carry, so
Yeah.
for any great distance. So we're coming up here to retrieve it all.
Yeah. That's why we're up there, and
Yeah.
show you the panoramic of the valley here.
Oh, It's a mother beautiful valley.
Yeah. Alright. There's a good old open stope right there.
Another one right here.
Well, this is a... we're going to head into that one here in a little bit.
It's a shaft.
Yeah, it's a shaft that goes back a couple hundred feet. There's still rail in there and a head frame, so... Alright. One more thing to take a look at here. Mine shaft. Still has some rail in it and looks like a head frame.
You got your pistol on you?
Nope. I'm looking back at the truck.
Sorry.
Yeah, I think
nothing in there. Rattlers maybe, but
Nah, we'll see. Let's go ahead and take a look here. As I fall on my rear. Yeah.
oh yeah, baby.
So, you got a shaft going that way. You got a hoist right there. And then you got a shaft going that way. Let's start with this one.
Well, the head just drops down, doesn't it?
Yeah, it goes down quite a ways. See this one? Yeah, you still see the rails right here. And,
And there was a cave in.
looks like they were backfilling right here. And then one lone support.
Rails went out that way.
And it looks like it stops. Yep. Might have been a collapse right there.
What's that?
I was gonna say, trying to get a focus here.
It's going to be tough with it being so dark.
Yeah, that blurry area. You have to take my word for it. It was copper ore. Oh man, come on, camera. There we go.
I'm afraid to shine a light over here.
There we go.
It's iron, but it's sulfur too. It looks like some of it's sulfur in here.
All right.
I can see there's crystallization going on here.
All right, and take a look at the head frame. Still built, sturdy. And look down.
It might be dirty, but it is sturdy.
Yeah, it goes down. I can see a portal down there. You can't really see it with the...
It's about 75, 80 feet.
Yeah, it's about that. I did the rock test. It was about a 6 or an 8 second drop. So, a big old...
Shine a light down there. Look at that.
Really can't see. It's dark down there.
I can't see. I'm blind.
Low bridge. That's why you wear helmets.
Rock test. I don't know why that's there, but it's going down here.
Okay.
Quite a drop.
All right. And the shaft off to the left here. See a lot of granite. Quartzite. Looks like I had a little bit of a collapse here. We're on the other side of the head frame. Another rock test from this angle.
Put the link up with the big one here.
Yeah, that's something you don't want to fall down. Yeah, I can see you over there.
Can you see me?
Oh, smile. There you are. And then,
Good Lord.
good Lord. Okay, then a water pipe. And it goes left and looks like it goes back to the right here, which would bring us to the other side. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to get a better flashlight. Because I'm not sure if that's...
That one, batteries I think are starting to go. Because that one would light up this whole cabin if it had good batteries.
Because if, I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but you can see all the framework down there.
And the bat just flew out
Oh,
at me.
yep, there's a bat.
Another one.
Okay. And then turning around. Just came from that way. A little pocket, dugout pocket. Yeah. All right, continuing on. Getting a little blurry here. Yeah, I can hear you. Watch your head. There's our after action review. Dummy. Okay. Looks like we're 100 feet in. Big old open stope here. Looks like it ends right here. So we're probably, that green mark there, we're probably about 120 feet in. All right. Ooh, yeah, that was funny. Funny. Lucky Ozzy Osbourne ain't here. Bite your head off, bat. Make me duck like that. I've already had enough freaks for the day. Alright. Old bridge. In the pocket. And we're heading out. Focus on something. There we go.
Scaring out more bats.
Yeah, I know I just got dive bomb.
That's the fourth one that you shot at me. Next one I'm going to catch. You don't ever want to catch a bat with your bare hands because they got rabies. You always want to use your hand.
Just do what Ozzy did.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a Nightingale mine. Pretty good tour. It goes back 100, I think 120 feet there. Nice and roomy in here.
Right.
For a summer day, it's also nice and cool in here. So,
It's a good place to investigate, but do it safely. Wear
Yes.
a helmet. Don't kill yourself like I almost just did.
all right.
Ouch.
So let's go find something else to explore.
Yeah, we got something else we got to do, don't we?
What's that?
I don't know. Let's go find out.
All right.